leadership and preparation of the elected class officers, headed by the class president, Fire Training Ian Rafael Apriani, and the appointed regimental officers, headed by Brigadier Commander, Fire Training Jaime Escobar, the fire recruits with one mind and one heart, unitedly named their class Pandaraigan. The class name Pandaraigan is derived from a Filipino word Mandarai, which means overcomer. A person who prevails
Putot-putot na yun. Araw mga putot-putot.
It also comes from the word
Gagmay sila.
which means to surpass or defeat. The actual meaning of the class stands for palaging handa para sa paninindigan. Always ready to stand firm in one's conviction.
Itong kanina itong dalawang katubong oo. Cute-cute sila.
Not just a survivor, but a conqueror.
Huwag kabot 5-5 na ba? Ay, huwag kabot 5 flat na.
Number 3 is a diverse assemblage of 397 individuals from 6 regions,
Oo, Nay.
representing various faiths including Roman Catholic, Islam, Protestant,
So si Paisa man kayo na
and others.
Ara nang sunod, oo, nang sunod sa ano, ikadalawa sunod sa ng mga puto-tao. So si Paisa. Siya gid na.
Information technologists, criminologists, architects, media practitioners, and more. Each contributing unique strengths to the class.
Nami ang ilang formation, no?
These two united by a common goal and a true spirit of
Mas lapit na na eh.
embodying strength, intellect, versatility, unity, and faith.
Dili lang tani nga side secret ba?
Is further strengthened with
Dili lang tani nga side sa aton secret.
the fire recruits coming from different regions to
51 from Region 9,
93 from Region 11,
59 from Region 12,
69 from Caraga,
71 from NIR,
58 from Boron,
with a total of 397 fire recruits, 89 of which are females, and 308 of which are males.
clustering the recruits established 8 companies, namely Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta,
Oo.
Echo,
Nami formation nila, oh.
Vanguard of Empire is a chosen concept by the FPRC Pandaraigan Class 2026-143. Vanguard of Empire is more than just a thing. It defines who we are as Pandaraigan. To be the vanguard means to stand at the front, to be the first to move, the first to face danger, and the first to act when it matters the most.
Alpha Archeron stands at the forefront of Pandaraigan, the first to rise and the last to fall. They embody the spirit of beginnings, where courage is tested and leadership is forged. As the vanguard of the brotherhood, they carry the weight of setting the standard for all who follow. In Pandaraigan, to be first is not a privilege, but a responsibility to lead with strength and integrity.
Bravo to the circle is empowered. With Pandaraigan,